Imagine this. You open your eyes, and before you can even stretch, your phone starts vibrating again and again. You reach for it, and suddenly, your breath stops. Global cyberattack underway, systems collapsing, nations on high alert. In that moment, everything changes. No explosions, no missiles, just silence. A silence so heavy, it feels like the calm before a storm the world isn't ready for. A simple political argument, one of thousands, turns into a chain of invisible attacks in the shadows. And before anyone understands what's happening, superpowers are pointing fingers at each other. Cities go dark. Traffic lights freeze. Banks lock every account. Airports shut down mid-flight. People rush outside confused, terrified, desperate for answers. But no one has answers. The military wakes up. War rooms light up. Commanders shout orders. Drones rise into the sky, a swarm of metal, preparing for the unknown. Then, the first strike. A drone enters restricted airspace. Another follows, and suddenly, the sky erupts. Explosions tear through the night. Sirens howl through empty streets. Families run for shelter. As the world slips into chaos, food disappears. Fuel becomes gold. Every broadcast repeats the same message. We still don't know who started the war. Then comes the moment humanity prayed would never arrive. A global power announces its nuclear forces are now at maximum readiness. One mistake, one wrong interpretation, and life could end in a single flash. The entire world holds its breath, but in the middle of the fear, a spark of reason appears. A secret meeting, enemies, sitting at the same table, realizing that a nuclear war has no winners, only ashes. And so, the fire stops, but the scars remain. Broken systems, shattered economies, a planet trying to rebuild itself piece by piece. This was the war that no one won, only survived. Tell me, do you believe World War III could really happen? And if it did, what would be left of our world? Share your thoughts below. And remember, the future is never guaranteed.